I think you sing pretty well in Israel, is that right?
Yeah!
So I would love some help with this song. I've been dying to sing this with you guys. This is for Freddie, okay? Love of my life, don't hurt me. You've broken my heart, and now you leave me. Love of my life, can't you see? Bring it back, don't take it away from me. You don't know what it means to me. Whoa! Perfect. You are love of my life, don't leave me. You've taken my heart, and now desert me. Love of my life, can't you see? Bring it back, don't take it away from me, because you don't know what it means to me. You will remember when this is all over and everything's all by the way. When I go older, I will be there at your side to remind you how I still love you. I still love you. Don't take it away.